Welcome to the best picks. The best erase a hole drywall repair is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or renter. Accidents happen, and walls get damaged, but with the right product, you can easily restore your walls to their original condition. In this video, we'll dive deep into the erase a hole drywall repair, showing you how it works, what makes it stand out, and whether it's the right choice for your next DIY project. Number 5. Drywall Repair Putty, quick and easy hole filler. Tired of looking at those unsightly holes in your walls? This putty is the perfect solution. It's designed to quickly and easily fill those holes, leaving your walls looking smooth and new. Not only does it work on drywall, but it's also effective on wood and plaster. This versatile product is a must-have for any home repair kit. It's a great way to fix imperfections around your home. Forget about messy putty knives. This product is incredibly easy to use. Simply swipe the putty over the hole, wipe away the excess, and you're ready to paint. This is great for filling nail holes and cracks in your walls. It provides a seamless finish, making those imperfections disappear. It's a simple way to improve the look of any room. With this product, repairs are a breeze. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can achieve professional-looking results. What we like. This putty is designed for speed and simplicity. It's perfect for those small nail holes and cracks. If you're looking for a quick fix that requires minimal tools and effort, this is the one for you. What people say. It works exactly as described and is so easy to use and store. Filled in holes literally disappear before our eyes. Easy to use. Good for smaller holes, i.e. picture frame or small shelves, wouldn't recommend for bigger holes that used a drywall anchor. Number 4. BONCART Drywall Repair Kit. Is your wall damaged? This drywall repair kit is the perfect solution. It's easy to use and will quickly fix any holes or cracks. The kit includes 2 wall mending agents, nozzle extenders, scrapers, and sandpaper. This has everything you need to get started. It's a complete package. Simply squeeze out the agent and smooth it with the spatula. This makes the repair process simple. It's designed for quick and easy repairs. This upgraded kit is formaldehyde-free, waterproof, and highly resistant to breakage. The repair will be virtually invisible, providing professional results. This kit can solve drywall cracks, stains, nail holes, peeling, and graffiti. It will give your walls a fresh new look. It's a versatile solution. We offer fast pre-sale and after-sale support. Contact us anytime with questions about the product. We are here to help you. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution with everything you need in one package. It's safe, waterproof, and provides professional-looking results. If you have various types of wall damage and want a complete, safe, and effective solution, this kit is your best choice. What people say. It includes everything you need: 2 tubes of repairing agent, spatula, sand pad, nozzles, and instruction manual. Ideal for fixing cracks, holes, and other minor damage to the wall quickly and cleanly. Hardened really nicely, needed to do a few coats BC of a bigger hole, but great so far. It's very easy to apply and required little sanding on my part. You can't see where the holes were once I painted. Number 3. Sugelary Drywall Repair Kit. Introducing the Sugelary Drywall Repair Kit. This kit is designed to effortlessly fix any damage on your walls. It's the perfect solution for a quick and easy restoration. This drywall spackle kit uses an advanced formula, ensuring strong adhesion and a virtually invisible finish. It works on various surfaces, both indoors and outdoors, giving you professional-looking results. Simply extrude and scrape the wall mending agent for a quick fix. Remember to wear gloves. This kit makes repairing holes, chips, scratches, and dents incredibly simple. If the spackle is thick due to cold weather, add a little hot water to make it easier to squeeze out. Make sure to shake it well before use for the best results. This ensures the product is ready for use. The kit includes everything you need: repair paste, a nozzle extender, a scraper, gloves, and sandpaper. It's a complete solution for your wall repair needs, making it easier than ever to restore your home. What we like. This kit has the power to restore your walls to their former glory. The advanced formula ensures strong adhesion and virtually invisible repairs. If you like a product that is easy to use and provides professional quality results, you should consider this one. What people say. The product works exactly as advertised. The design of the product is well thought out and easy to use. It's a great product for quick and easy drywall repair. Number 2. ADFORS FDW 9098, You Fix It Fast Wall Hole Filler. This is an all-in-one solution for your wall repair needs. It includes the compound, applicator, and spreader, making it easy to use. This product is designed to fill holes less than 2 inches, scratches, and other imperfections. It's perfect for those small repairs caused by screws and nails. The resealable top allows you to use it for multiple repairs. You can save the remaining product for future projects. Forget about sanding for smaller repairs. This product simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. Remember, this product is specifically designed for interior use. Make sure it's the right choice for your project. What we like. This product is an all-in-one solution, including the applicator and spreader. It's ideal for small repairs and doesn't require sanding. If you are looking for a product that simplifies the repair process and allows for multiple uses, this is the one for you. What people say. This filler has been a fantastic solution for quick wall repairs. The filler is easy to apply, providing a smooth finish that blends seamlessly with the surrounding wall. It is an all-in-one solution, combining the filler and a putty knife, eliminating the need for additional tools. Number 1. Drywall Repair Kit with Scraper. This wall mending agent kit is made with safe ingredients, making it suitable for homes with children, elderly, and pets. It's waterproof and formaldehyde-free, ensuring a safe and effective solution for your home improvement needs. The repairs are virtually invisible, perfect for fixing damaged walls. The wall repair paste dries quickly, usually within 4 hours depending on the weather. It offers strong adhesion, crack resistance, and water resistance, leaving your wall smoother and more durable. Remember to wear gloves when applying this product. Fix wall damage and cracks with ease using simple steps. Just squeeze and scrape to fill holes and cracks. The kit includes scrapers and sandpaper for a smooth finish. The product can also be reused after opening without shrinking or cracking. This spackle wall repair kit is ideal for fixing cracks, nail holes, peeling paint, graffiti, and stains. It's perfect for use in homes, schools, and offices, making it a great solution for small repair projects. The kit includes 2 100G wall repair pastes, scrapers, nozzle extenders, sandpaper, and wall repair patches. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we will assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This kit is made with safe and green ingredients, ensuring it's safe for your family. It dries quickly and provides durable, professional-looking results. If you are looking for a safe, easy-to-use, and long-lasting solution for your wall repairs, you should consider this kit. What people say. The product works exactly as advertised. The design of the product is well thought out and easy to use. It made the repair process quick and easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.